Hey everyone, I'm came with another awesome video. DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 is launched 1 week ago and its official API is now live in public. In most of the benchmark, it already beat GLM 5.2 and competing with Cloud Opus 4.8, but its price is very much low as compared to GLM and Opus. As compared to Opus, if you use its price is nearly 90% cheaper than Anthropic model, but most of you want to use it for free. Then this video is for you. Today I will show you the two different ways that you can use DeepSeek API inside Visual Studio Code for free. Before that, let's take a look what does DeepSeek mention during launching this platform. We have massively upgraded its agent's capability, benchmark score, and now it will very much improve as compared to DeepSeek V4 Flash preview. The model that we have used until now, which is the preview model. Official model is launched in July 31, just 1 week ago of today's date. If you compare the benchmark, it already beat GLM 5.2 in each and every benchmark, and now it will targeting to beat Cloud Opus 4.8, but its price is very much low as compared to Anthropic model. Today's video I'm going to test it by building real project. Does its benchmark reflect its performance or only the hype in benchmark? Fast and reliable way will be the OpenCode Zen. OpenCode Zen provide this model for free. You can easily use it inside OpenCode CLI, OpenCode desktop app, and if you want you can also use it inside the Visual Studio Code through OpenCode extension. First go to the opencode.ai website and select this Zen section. If you are using it for the first time, then you need to create your account. Using your Google account, you can easily create your account. Let's get started with Zen after you have created your account. And I'll show you my billing section. I have not enabled my billing account and my balance is 0. Now I'm going to use it inside my Visual Studio Code. If you want, you can explore this all of the model. First, let's add API key inside Visual Studio Code. Then we will explore which model is working perfectly, which model will be available in free plan. Create your new API key if you are using it for the first time. I already have a API key. I'm going to copy it. I'll start my Visual Studio Code and I'll select this test folder. After that, I'm going to the extension section and I'll search for OpenCode. This is the official extension. Nearly 1 million download in this extension. Install it. After you have installed, you are ready to use. When installation is completed, it will be reflected here in top right corner. Open it. It will take a little bit time to start if you are using it for the first time. Don't worry, I have already added my API key. That's why it will be reflected here. If you are using it for the first time, press / type connect. Press enter, then OpenCode Zen provider will be reflected here. Select it, provide the API key that you have created in OpenCode.ai platform. If you press enter, then all the model provided by OpenCode Zen will be reflected here. Type free, and this is the newly launched DeepSeek V4 Flash. Okay, select it. This is not a preview model, newly launched DeepSeek V4 Flash. By using this model, we are going to build one project. To test its capability, I want to build one typing game. My requirement will be this: build a type game in a single HTML file. Words are falling, type them before they cross the danger zone and get the point. Correct word, accuracy, best score need to be reflected. You can use this game for two different purposes. For gaming purpose and to improve your accuracy and typing speed. Let's wait until it will complete it. It is fast as well. It will complete it within 1-2 minutes. And I have already mentioned you, if you want, DeepSeek V4 Flash will be available in client as well. Okay, this is the DeepSeek V4 Flash currently available for free. Until yesterday, GLM 5.2 is also available. For now, GLM is not available. Only the DeepSeek V4 Flash, Laguna and Step model will be available here. Now it is completed and it will mention draft was messy. Let me rewrite it and presented it in a structured way. Okay, it will complete this type game.html file inside the test folder. This is the code. It will write nearly 511 line of code. Currently it will structuring. I think the code is ready. I'm going to test it. Does it work or not? Let's select it. Start game. Okay, it is not working. Then Let's wait until it will complete. Every time I'll mention this is not actual token, this is the context window. Keep in mind, if you close and open it again it will start from 4%. Initially it will started from 4%. It will provide daily limit. This is one of the best way that you can use any model for free, which is intelligent and reliable. Now syntax is okay. Game will be located here. Feature will be this. Open it in any browser to play. Let's see, does it work or not. Type game.html. This is my file. It will mention word drop. Type the following word before they cross the danger zone. Start typing to lock onto the nearest match. Every 5 word in a row give a combo bonus. Okay, start game. Type, you can get point, base score, accuracy, correct level. You can see Krypton, new, old, true, camera, over, dolphin. Okay, out. The game is perfect. If 3 words cross the line continuously, then game is over. Total correct word, accuracy, best score and score. Now game is over. If game is over and again if you type, then nothing will be happen. Okay, this is the game that we have built from single line of prompt. If you provide one detailed prompt, then it will build one awesome game. Currently you can see 16% context token will be used. If you close this terminal and again reopen it, then again it will start from 4%. Hi, you can see again it will start from 4%. It will respond 4.7 seconds. This is the first way that you can use DeepSeek V4 Flash, and I'll show you the second way. Okay, which is InferX.net. Here it will also provide DeepSeek V4 Flash preview and DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 for free. First, let's create the account. I don't know how much token it will provide, but for some time it will provide it for free. It will mention limited time offer, $5 credit for $1 pay as you go something. To be honest, I don't know how much credit it will provide, but currently it is free. Use it until it will be available for free. You can see 100% discount, no any input and no any output token price. And in the endpoint, if you select DeepSeek V4 Flash, you can see 100% discount, no input and output token price. Select it. Okay, after that, this is the API key, this is the base URL and this is the model name. I'm going to use it through KiloCode. You can use it through any extension. Okay, install the KiloCode extension, go to the settings icons, providers, and you can find this custom provider. Press on connect, give the provider name. What's the provider name? I'm going to copy the provider name here. This is the provider name, this is the display name. Provider API will be OpenAI compatible, and this is the base URL and this is the API key. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. After that, you can see the list of model available here. I'm going to deselect all and only select these 2 model. Add model. Now we are ready to use. Submit. Provider is already exist. 01 submit. Okay, now available to use. I think this provider is defaultly available. If this provider is defaultly available, then we don't need to do anything. You can see this model is available. This model is working perfectly. I've select this DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731. This is also working. Here it will mention input and output token is free. But if you can see here, DeepSeek V4 Flash only 60% discount it will mention. But if you can check it here, both this DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 and DeepSeek V4 Flash both are free. Okay, I don't know how much token it will provide, but I'm sure that if you use OpenCode, then OpenCode provide decent amount of token for you. This is the way that you can use DeepSeek V4 Flash, which is currently available for free. Some provider provide you a free API key. Use it until it will be available for free. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.